Hey friends, who's hungry? Fried oyster po' boys are the South's favorite sandwich. This version is easy to make at home in minutes. If any of your oysters are really large, cut them in half first. Pour 2 to 3 inches of oil into a cast iron skillet. While the oil is heating, combine 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt in a shallow dish. Crack 2 eggs into a second shallow dish and beat lightly. Finally, pour 1 cup of yellow cornmeal into a third dish. Coat a few raw oysters at a time in the flour. Then coat the oysters with the egg, and finally coat them with the cornmeal. Working in batches, fry the oysters in the hot oil for 45 seconds. Then flip and fry for an additional 45 seconds. Remove the fried oysters from the oil and drain on paper towels. To assemble the sandwich, nestle several oysters on a 6-inch hoagie roll. Drizzle with remoulade sauce. Then top with shredded lettuce and sliced tomato.